So this genuinely changed my game in makeup. So hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. This is Mana and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So this video is going to be about my experience at Meera Sakrani Pro School. I have my diary with me so I do not skip on any pointers. तो सबसे पहले I am following Meera Sakrani from very long time period and मुझे उनका मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. लाइक द बेस, द आईज, दैट हाउ फ्लॉलेस द बेस लुक्स, हाउ फ्लॉलेस इट कम्स टुगेदर एंड एवरीथिंग. सो मेरे दिमाग में ये कहीं ना कहीं था कि मुझे मीरा सकरानी से कहीं ना कहीं तो सीखना है. एट सम पॉइंट आई वॉन्ट टू लर्न फ्रॉम हर एंड या what I learned from her is the live demos helped so much to learn from, and every little technique बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ जाता है आपके मेकअप में इफ़ यू फॉलो देम. सो या बेसिकली आई लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम देम. तो जाने से पहले आई वॉज सो नर्वस कि यार कैसे लोग मिलेंगे, विल आई बी एबल टू कॉप अप विद देम और नॉट, मेरी किससे बात होगी भी या नहीं होगी, विल दे बी genuine, will they be very kind enough to help somewhere if I need them or something. The back of my mind मेरे बहुत ये सब चल रहा था, लेकिन साथ ही साथ एक्साइटमेंट भी बहुत थी कि या आई एम लर्निंग फ्रॉम द बेस्ट एंड आई नो दैट दिस course will change the way I look at the makeup. When I went there, the setup, oh my god, the setup was so pretty. It was giving totally Bridgerton vibes. हमेशा उनके कोर्सेज के अलग अलग सेटअप होते हैं, अलग अलग थीम्स होती हैं, बट दिस टाइम इट वॉज Bridgerton, full Bridgerton vibes. It looked so gorgeous. Every showpiece, every little thing were complementing each other, and it looked so surreal, I would say. I met the most gorgeous girls out there, and they were so sweet, so kind, and even very helpful. I am very grateful to meet them, and it was so exciting. It was so good. I mean, the 7 days were so good. We made so many memories. Yeah, we used to get live demos every single day on the models, and not just by Meera Sakrani, but we used to have the beginner classes also in the morning, which were basically for the beginners in this industry. And उन beginner classes से of course आपका एक base build up होता है, and it brings that confidence in you कि हाँ आप कर सकते हो ये चीज़. Yes, सिर्फ मीरा मैम ही आंसर नहीं करती थी उन क्वेश्चन को. देयर वर अदर पीपल्स, अदर मेंटोर्स हु यूज्ड टू आंसर आवर क्वेश्चंस. सो अगर आप लोग मेरा पेज जाके देखोगे, यू विल सी द डिफरेंस योरसेल्फ. कैसे? आई मीन द बेस is totally different. The techniques I use are totally different now. So this genuinely changed my game in makeup. Definitely, I'm gonna say that. Skin prep techniques were so good, so good that, of course, if you're doing a makeup, skin prep matters the most, and that is something your makeup is going to sit on. So the techniques they showed us was too good. It helped me personally to bring a very flawless base. Okay. Every alternate day when you have your portfolio in the morning, you can do the practice, and the practice models are from your side. They do not provide the models to you, but they do send you the list where all the models are mentioned, and you can tell them that this model you want for this day, and you can book them. So yeah, practice sessions are really helpful. यहाँ पे आप अपनी टेक्निक्स को थोड़ा थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हो, and you can, like, जो भी वहाँ पे मेंटर्स होते हैं, आप उनसे पूछ सकते हो चीज़ें कि दिस इज़ समथिंग मैं यहाँ पे स्ट्रगल कर रही हूँ, या दिस इज़ समथिंग आई एम स्ट्रगलिंग विद. सो या प्रैक्टिस सेशंस हेल्प्स यू अ लॉट. एंड बिकॉज वो प्रैक्टिस सेशंस हैं, आपके पेज पे जाएंगे, ऑफ कोर्स जाएंगे, बट they are something that you are going to shoot yourself, so you learn many things from that part too, because you shoot the reels yourself, you shoot the content yourself, right? You edit the content yourself, so you are going to learn not just the makeup, the content creation, the editing part, how to create reels and everything. तो हमें classes भी दी गई थी regarding how to create reels, how to shoot content, how to edit the content, how to give the final touches to the reel. So this was also something that we learned from this classes. And yeah, so overall आप सिर्फ मेकअप सीखने नहीं जा रहे हो वहाँ पे, आप बहुत कुछ सीखने जा रहे हो। आप अपने आप को पूरा कंटेंट क्रिएशन में एब्जॉर्ब होने जा रहे हो। आप बहुत कुछ सीख रहे हो, नॉट जस्ट द मेकअप, एवरी लिटिल सिंगल थिंग दैट इज in this industry you are learning. शेड्यूल सुबह 8 बजे से 6 बजे तक का होता था, जिसमें हमारा बिगनर क्लास, स्पेशल क्लास, डेमो, लंच, हाई टी, पोर्टफोलियो और प्रैक्टिस, ये सब इंक्लूड होता था। तो इट इज़ वेरी एग्जॉस्टिंग, वेरी वेरी एग्जॉस्टिंग। आई मीन बॉडी गिव्स अप बट माइंड डजंट। यू लाइक आप रोज सुबह उठ रहे हो with the same excitement to learn some new technique, some new look. So I think every single day you are exhausted, but then again you are excited for the next day. Upgrading or getting certified from the queen of this industry, I mean, till now it feels surreal because it was like a dream come true to me when I went there and learned from her. It was a very, very good experience, and I'll say that I learned so much, so much. And now I'm not just leaving with the certificate, but so much knowledge, so much confidence, so much inspiration from her. You're thinking to invest in yourself or in this skill, I think this is your sign to go for it, because you are learning every single thing there. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो आपको समझ नहीं आएगा, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके डाउट्स क्लियर नहीं होंगे, ऐसा नहीं है आप लुक्स क्रिएट नहीं कर पाओगे। ज़रूरी नहीं है आपके पास बहुत हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स हो तभी आप लुक्स क्रिएट कर सकते हो, नहीं, यू कैन क्रिएट इट विद सम बेसिक प्रोडक्ट्स टू। नाउ कमिंग टू द थिंग दैट should beginners join it or not? Why not? Why not? I mean, there are beginner classes for the beginners, right? They will teach you the basics, they will teach you every single thing, and I am saying it out loud that 7 days are enough to learn makeup, but practice makes the man perfect. So practice is something you have to do every single time if you want to grow into this industry. Practice के बिना you will not learn everything यार। आपको नहीं पता लगेगा कि आप क्या कैसा कर सकते हो, किस फेस पे कैसा वर्क कर सकते हो। You will not know that, right? It is worth every single penny. So go invest and learn from her. It is the best, and it genuinely pushed me out of my comfort zone uh, and made me realize that how much more there is to learn in this industry, how much more there is to learn about makeup, about skincare and everything. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.